Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm here with Nick Middleton of Nationwide. And we're at Finextra's Next Gen Banking event at level 39. Thank you very much for joining me.
Oh, you're welcome.
What is the Open Banking Working Group and what was it you were asked to deliver?
So the Open Banking Working Group brings together three different organisations and members of those organisations, being the British Bankers Association, Payments UK and the Open Data Institute. We were asked by Treasury to determine how we could deliver an open banking standard for the UK, building on what PSD2 asked us to deliver in 2018.
So why will open banking benefit customers and why do we need to go beyond PSD2?
So what PSD2 asks us to deliver is access to payments accounts data, but customers don't want just access to payments accounts data. It's the customer's own data, and they want to be able to use that data in the way that benefits them the most. And that's a whole host of other types of financial services data that they'll own and process. Information about their credit cards, information about their mortgages, information about their savings accounts, information about their pensions, information about their ISA accounts. All these types of accounts aren't included in what PSD2 asks us to do. By going further in the UK and opening up access to all of your data, there's a whole host of other services that fintechs and banks can provide to their customers that will allow them to manage their personal finances a lot better.
So what's all the hype about and what does it really mean?
So I think people are getting a bit worried about this. So the banks are thinking, oh, well, customers won't come to us anymore through our channels to deal with us about their finances. Others are thinking, well, we can make a lot of money out of this because we can provide services that the banks aren't and we can charge people for it. I think it's going to be a combination of all of those elements. So you'll find that customers will want increased service and banks will have to deliver it, as well as some of these fintech players. So there'll be an element of independent standalone applications that customers can use, but there'll also be a lot of partnering between fintech companies and banks. Banks can't develop all of these solutions that they want to by themselves. They're going to need help from these really innovative, smaller companies that can move a bit more quickly and agilely. So it's working together to deliver a suite of products and services that customers can use to manage their financial lives.
What should customers be thinking about for their financial future?
Well, they want to be more in control of their finances. Now, you'll get different depending on the age range of the customers that are using these services. You'll always get the outliers in any age range that'll want to be digitally savvy and active. But we're finding the more millennials and the younger generation really want much more control over their finances. They don't want the traditional direct debits. They don't want the traditional ways of paying. And they want action on the go. They want to be able to look at their mobile phone and they want to know exactly what their position is. They want to see real-time updates when they buy something on a debit card in a shop. They want a whole host of new services that we're not offering right now. And it's looking at those types of things that would make your financial life better and telling your financial services provider what those sorts of things are. We don't know what everything is that customers are going to want. We do know that this will be a really great way to deliver a lot of those services. So having input from the customers as well as looking at it from the banking side as well is going to be really important as we move forward.
Nick, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And thank you for watching.